scenario. The record playing on the turntable of your stereo is rotating clockwise. After turning it off, your turntable is slowing down, but hasn't stopped yet. Question. The direction of the acceleration of point P, which is at the left, right here, is what? The answer would be B. Because it is slowing down, it has a component that is both downwards and towards the center. So it's pointing southeast. So it's going counterclockwise because it's slowing down. Next question. What is the direction of the friction force on point P, which is at the left? So there is friction around this turntable. That force of friction is pointing in what direction? It would be C. The centripetal force is equal to the force of friction here, which is always pointing towards the center of the circle. This is how it continues in its circle without flying out of the circle. So the force of friction is what keeps it remaining in its circular motion path.